Carolyn and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to you. This isn't my usual day to post, but I wanted to upload this video today because it is actually my 2-year YouTube anniversary. I posted my very first video on January 1st, 2019, so today's a really special day and I thought I would celebrate with this meal prep video that I have for you guys today. So this is of course a PCOS friendly meal prep. Everything's gluten, dairy free and perfect for PCOS weight loss. So I hope that you enjoy and you get some inspiration to start out your new year out right. I'm gonna start out by making a quiche, and I buy these gluten-free pie shells in the freezer section at either my local grocery store or they also have them at Trader Joe's. So I usually par bake these for like 5 to 10 minutes before I add in the rest of the quiche ingredients.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want.
I like to have a very high protein breakfast, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook up some of these chicken sausages that I get from Aldi. Now they come fully cooked, but they taste so much better if you kind of cook them on the stove top and give them a little bit of a sear, and then you can just pop them in the microwave to reheat for the rest of the week.
Me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me.
So here's how my breakfast prep turned out. My quiche looks delicious. I'm gonna be looking forward to eating this every morning along with my sausages. Look super yummy. I'm just gonna divide this all up into containers and all I'll have to do is reheat it and I'll have a super fast and easy and healthy breakfast all week long. If I do anything else in my meal prep, I'm going to soak my vegetables. All I do is add some vinegar to a big bowl of cold water. And this is a great all-natural way to remove bacteria and pesticides from your fruit and vegetables. So you just have to do it with vegetables and fruit that are firm, not something really soft and porous like say a raspberry. So I'm just gonna pour those in there, and then these are gonna soak while I do a little bit more of my prep. All right, let me just quickly explain what I'm gonna do for my lunch meal prep. I went to Trader Joe's this week and I got these. They're gyro slices. These are so yummy. They're fully cooked, but I like to give them, again, a little sear on the stovetop. I think it just makes it taste better. Even if I'm not gonna eat it right away, it's just gonna make it taste better when I do heat it up to eat it. So I'm gonna do that really quick. It only takes a couple minutes because again, they're fully cooked. Then I got these. They are a gluten-free cauliflower bread substitute, so I thought that I could use these instead of pita bread. And then I'm going to show you very soon how I make my dairy-free tzatziki sauce, and that's going to be like such a yummy little sandwich alternative that I can prep for the week. Now to go along with it, I'm going to make a chickpea Greek salad. This is a great way to meal prep salad because it doesn't have any lettuce. So I'm just going to use this can of chickpeas. I bought this dairy-free feta cheese that I heard is really good. And then also from Trader Joe's, I got a can of their grape leaves. They're stuffed with quinoa, so they are gluten-free and dairy-free. And then I'm also going to add in some cucumbers, red onion, tomatoes, and then I bought this dressing. It is a French vinaigrette. However, most Greek vinaigrettes have feta in them, so that's why I bought this one. But you could always make your own with just some olive oil and red wine vinegar and some spices. But whatever, this was quick and easy, so this is what I'm going to be using to dress the chickpea salad. So I'm just going to whip this all up. I don't think it's going to take that long. And I'll show you how I kind of package it all up.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we...
All right, so here's how it turned out. I had enough for 4 different meals, but I'm going to eat one for lunch right now. But I have my gyro meat up here separated out. As you can see, it has some nice color on it now, so that's going to make it extra tasty. And then in this bigger section, I have a big serving of my Greek chickpea salad. I have 2 of my grape leaves and a little tzatziki in the corner. And then I'll just pair it with one of these. There's 2 little, actually, I think there's 3 little bread slices in here, so I can make a little mini sandwich with this, top it with the meat, add on some tzatziki, and this is going to be such a delicious filling lunch that is perfectly portioned. It has protein, it has healthy carbohydrates, it has vegetables, healthy fats, so it's going to be just perfect.
We can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving.
So my veggies are all washed, dried, and prepped, ready for salads or snacking. I got some hummus, and I have a little bit of leftover tzatziki I can use as a dip. And now my meal prep is all done. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my PCOS friendly meal prep, and that if you did, you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!